Amazon Prime Video showing error 1061. Your movie night just got ruined. But don't worry, this connectivity error has simple fixes that anyone can do.
Error 161 is a connectivity and authentication failure. Your device cannot reach Amazon's streaming servers. It mostly happens on Fire TV Stick, but can affect any device running Prime Video.
Fix number 1, the classic restart. Close the Prime Video app completely. Then restart your Fire TV or streaming device by unplugging it for 30 seconds. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes the connection.
Fix number 2, disable your VPN. Amazon Prime Video actively blocks VPN traffic, and this is the #1 cause of error 61. Turn off any VPN or proxy server, then reopen Prime Video.
Fix number 3, power cycle your router. Unplug your modem and router for 10 seconds, then plug them back in. Wait for all indicator lights to stabilize before trying Prime Video again.
So, why does error 1061 happen? The main culprits are VPN interference, network problems, corrupted app cache, outdated software, wrong date and time settings, HDMI compatibility issues, too many devices streaming at once, or Amazon server outages.
If the quick fixes didn't work, try clearing the app cache. On Fire TV, go to Settings, then Applications, then Manage Installed Applications. Find Prime Video and clear both cache and data. This removes corrupted temporary files that might be causing the error.
Next, check for system updates on your Fire TV and make sure the Prime Video app is up to date. If that doesn't fix it, deregister your device from your Amazon account, then register it again. This refreshes the authentication completely.
To prevent error 1061 from happening again, keep your device software updated. Avoid using VPNs with Prime Video. Restart your router periodically, and make sure your device date and time are set to automatic.
That should do it. If this video helped you fix error 1061, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment below telling me which fix worked for you.